Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2020 Ford Kuga ST Line Edition. This car comes with the 1.5 diesel turbo engine and the manual gearbox, which is Ulez compliant, producing 118 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 60 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 14 and this is a one-owner vehicle, having covered just over 25,000 miles and comes with full service history from Ford. This really nice colour is the metallic solar silver and looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you've got the nice clean interior. Being the ST line, you've got the sports seats there, which are half leather and with a red stitching, which also matches the steering wheel. And then onto the dashboard, you've got your multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple Carplay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. And this car also has climate control, as well as automatic headlights and wipers. Cruise control there on the left-hand side of the steering wheel. And then on the driver's door card, you have your electric folding mirror and 4 window controls. Being an SUV, the Kuga's a great car for the family, so good amount of legroom and headroom there in the back, so ideal if you're getting children in and out of car seats, for example. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers have their own air vents as well as a charging socket there in the centre. And it's good to see the car's got the original carpet floor mats from Ford too. As we open the tailgate, which is electric, you've got the really nice size boot there. It goes back quite a way compared to the average SUV, with the split folding rear seats, the parcel shelf that cleverly raises with the tailgate, and then underneath the boot floor you also have your tyre inflator kit there, as well as a bit of extra storage. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, front and rear parking sensors, the 18-inch gunmetal alloy wheels, and also a colour reversing camera. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.